In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Rode Wireless Go 2 with camera. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up your Rode Wireless Go 2 microphone with any camera that you have. Doing this is extremely simple and it should be compatible with essentially any camera. So all that you have to do is grab the necessary components. You will have the transmitters and the actual receiver for your Rode Wireless Go 2. So you will grab those and you will have to establish the connection. The simplest way to establish this connection, as you can see by this example image that Rode provides, is by using a 3.5mm cable. So one end goes into the camera. So usually you will have to open some sort of latch, some sort of port or lid, and once you open it, you will see the 3.5mm mic in port. So you put one end of the cable that they provide, like this one there, and then the other one goes into the Rode. So once you have it connected to the Rode receiver, you are basically good to go. There's no secret to this. So you establish the connection directly, and you can even do this with multiple. So the transmitters will connect to their respective receivers. This will be done automatically as soon as the receiver has the cable connected to the camera and is powered on. So they will be detected and they should automatically pair up. If they don't automatically pair up, you can manually press the button to initiate this pairing process, but it's as simple as using the provided 3.5mm cable, connecting the camera to at least one receiver, and then the receiver will automatically connect itself to both transmitters. You can also use only one if you prefer. Just make sure that you power them on, and all of this exchange will be done automatically. If it doesn't work, try a different cable, and if it's still giving you trouble, you can attempt doing a USB connection. However, 3.5mm is recommended instead. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Rode Wireless Go 2 with camera. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.